So guys, here one more video that came about the Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling you about the an infinite loop. If you don't know what an infinite loop, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to, and please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss our future later videos. So I didn't take long time, so let's move from our screen and let's learn about what an infinite loop in the Python. So let's move from our screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, here you can see one more video that came about the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling about the infinite loop. If you don't know what is infinite loop in the Python, in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it if you see the video start to end. So now without wasting any time, let's get started and let's learn about what an infinite loop in the Python. So let's get started. An infinite loop. I know I not make the video about the infinite loop. I make the video about the while loop, for loop, do while loop, but I not make the video of the infinite loop. So but let me tell you what is that. Infinite loop is a loop, okay? Infinite loop is a loop, okay? Because in the infinite infinite end is coming the loop, then continues to run the indefinitely, either due to a condition that is always true or an absence of code, or to break out of the local out of the loop. Infinite loops are common, very common, very common in the programming. Not very, in a little bit they are common in programming, and can be intentional for programs that need to run continuously or ascendingly. Types of infinite loops. There are two types of infinite loop. First is while loop with conditional always true. Okay, when you copy this code and when you paste this code, like in the previous video, our Visual Studio Code is not working, so we are using the wraplet. So like previously our Visual Studio Code is not working. So when I paste this code, so it give me this will print forever. Okay, error. It give me the error. What type of? Okay, that not give me the error. So here you can see it will be printed forever. Here you can see it. It is printed forever. Here you can see it. It is printing. It will be printed forever. Okay, but let me run it. I don't want it. So now. Okay, let me stop it. So now it is not printing. Okay. So now, in the example, while true means that the loop is conditional is always true. So it will keep running without stopping unless there is a break statement inside it. Means if there is a no break statement, so it will be unless there is a it will not stop. If there is a break statement, so inside it, so it will be stopped. Number 2 is for loop with an incorrect range. A for loop can also create an infinite loop. What? A for loop can also create an infinite loop. How? Let me tell you. If there is an error in the range that prevents it from terminating, although this is rare in Python. Here's an example of an infinite loop using a for loop with a custom range function like that. Here we can see it. Now let me copy it and let me paste it. So here in the 7th line of code, this will print the increasing number indefinitely, like here. When I run it, so here you can see it. The number is will be not stop. Why the number will be not stop? Because I do not write here break statement. If I write here break statement, so it will be stop, but it will now continue forever. Okay, it will continue forever. Okay, it is giving me the number till I not press here stop. If I press stop, so then it will be stop. Here you can see it. Because this is a wraplet, so there are some advanced features. If you are in Visual Studio Code, so you want to close your Visual Studio Code, then open it again. Because in the Visual Studio Code, you do not stop it. While if you close your Visual Studio Code, then open it, so then it will be pause. Okay. So like that, this very powerful. The while loop and for loop are very powerful. If you want a different video of that, so here I already make about the video of the while loop. So here you can see it, while loop. You go and see it about the what are while loop, and if you want to learn about the for loop, so here you can go ahead and see the for loop video also. Exiting infinite loop. To safely exit an infinite loop, you can use break statement. Which statement? Break statement. It can be used to break out of the loop under a certain condition, like that. Like, let me copy it and let me paste it and run it. So it give me a type exit to stop. If I write here exit, so you can see it will be stop. It is looping, okay, like that. Like that you can do it. If I write here exit, so then it will be stop. Here you can see it. Like this type of one example. Now, keyboard interpret. When you are running in a terminal, press Ctrl C to stop the execution of an infinite loop if you are running in the terminal. Okay. Use of cases for intentional infinite loops. Intentional infinite loops are often used in servers. Servers what continue listening for clients request. Number 2, real time system. It running indefinitely until explicitly terminated. Number 3, event loop. What it can do? It is for handling continuous input or events like in a game loop or GUI applications. Infinite loops can be helpful in specified scenarios but should be carefully controlled to avoid unintended behavior. Okay, so in today's video we see that what an infinite loop in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also so I may have future later videos. And for the business inquiries or paid for promotions, you will be email me, and my email is rayyan1253@gmail.com. Okay, and I also mentioned this email in my channel bio. Okay, but I'm meeting next class in next video. I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.